Hello guys, one more video for solving linear equation, and of course for this video you will have another form or harder form. So how can you work with this form 3x plus 5x minus 3 equal to 7 plus 5 minus 2x minus 8. So this is very complicated equation because you can see now for each side you have more than two terms. So for each term you will got one position is one term, two position, three position, 1, 2, 3, 4. Four terms for this for this right hand side and three terms for this left hand side is so too much. So how can you work with this one? Okay, now you already learned about the simplified expression, right? You know about how can you change from the longer expression become to shorter expression. So the first step, you don't need to care about transposing method anymore. The first step you have to apply for this equation is you have simplified expression for each side. Example, 3x plus 5x minus 3, you will have 8 times x minus 3. That is the first step. From a longer form like this, you change it, you simplify it, you shorten it, become to 8 times x minus 3. So the same thing for another example, for another side. You got 7 and 5, yeah, it's 12. You got minus 2x minus x is become to minus 3x. So from that number, from this expression, you will have shortened way for writing your answer. And from here, it's become to a little bit normal or familiar. Yeah. So you can change all x to left hand side plus 3 times x equal to 12 here and plus 3. Minus 3 from left to right become to plus 3, and this one is 11x and this is 15. It's quite easy. Now captain on top, you got 15 divided by 11. So what is the most important step for this solving equation? This is you have to change from longer form or complicated form become to more simpler form, more simplified. Yeah, so you have to simplify the expression first from the 3 terms for each side or 4 terms for each side is become to only 2 terms, or maybe it's only 1 term. Yeah, this is example 1. And how about example 2? You will got this line here, and another side you got 7 plus x plus 10 and minus 3x. So in the left hand side you got 3 terms, in the right hand side you got 4 terms. So the first step, the most important step here, you have to simplify each side. You got 4 times x plus 2 times x minus 1 times x, and 4 plus 2 minus 1 equal to 5. So that's why you got here is 5x. Another side you got 7 and 10 is constant number, so you can make operation between them. 7 plus 10 you got 17. And how about x and minus 3x? X minus 3x is mean negative 2x like this. Yeah, okay, so that is the first step. The second step, you will move x together. You got 5x in left hand side and minus 8 in right hand side. Move to left hand side become to plus 2x like this, and then you got 17. 7x equal to 17, and now it's not too easy for you. Yeah, a little bit easy. Okay, x equal to 17 over 7. Yes, that is the second example. That's too not difficult, right? Because you already understand about the simplified expression. That's why you can totally understand for this question. But you have to apply everything you know to complicated form or complicated exercise. Yeah, okay, so how about question 3? You got 4x minus 7 minus 6x and minus 3. At the other side, you got 17 plus 8 minus 7 plus 3x. Okay, now for each side, you have 4 terms. Yeah, a little longer, but that's too not difficult. 4x minus 6, 4x minus 6x is the negative 2x. 7 minus 7 and minus 3, you got minus 10. And here you got 7 and minus 7 is constant number, so you can take operation. It's become to 10. X and 3x is 4 times x. So from this I will move negative 2x, or no, unchain here, 4x minus 4x in here, 10 here, and plus 10 here. Okay, this is 20, and this is minus 6 times x. So x become to 20 captain divided by minus 6. So x equal to minus 20 over 6. Or you can simplify this fraction. It's become to divide by 2. You got minus 10 over 3. Yes. The last example for this video, you got 8x plus 9 minus 2x equal to 16x minus 5x plus 3. So simplify x side first. You got 8x here minus 2x here, and you got 6 times x and plus 9. So other side you got 16x minus 5x, it is 11x and plus 3. So I will move 6x from left hand side to right hand side, is 6x in here. And about 3, this is minus 3. So minus 3 plus 9, you got 6, and this one you got 5 times x. Captain on top, captain stand alone. 6 is captain on top, and the other number is 5. So x equal to 6 over 5 is my final answer for this question. Okay, so after this video, your calculating or your algebra skill, I think that is improved much more than before. So thank you so much, and I hope you can finish the next test so perfectly. See you next time. Bye bye.